with these laws and will help guide you through the whole process if you have any questions or need help about it. In India, you can always reach out to MedSurge India. They are a trusted platform that can help guide you through the entire IVF process in India, from finding the best clinic to understanding the legalities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our MedSurge India YouTube channel for more informative content on medical treatments and healthcare options available in India. Stay connected with us on Instagram and Facebook for the latest updates, patient stories, and more health threads.